Hello and welcome to my reflection video on the field of computer engineering. I made some notes so I wouldn't forget what I was going to say and answer to the prepared questions. So let's get going. In this video, I will explore the promising future of this dynamic field, discuss how I envision myself contributing to its advancement, and share the specific areas I'm passionate about pursuing. I also highlight key insights about the evolving job landscape and the skills that will shape the careers of tomorrow. Let's dive in and explore the exciting opportunities awaiting computer engineers in a rapidly changing world. Number one question: what is the topic all about? The topic is all about a computer engineering department in an educational institution. If it's possible for educating students in the principles, techniques, and application of computer engineering. It is typically a multidisciplinary department that interrogates electrical engineering, computer science, and software development to train students to design and develop computer systems. Number two, what is the future of computer engineers in the global stage? Future of computer engineers in the global stage. The future of computer engineers is highly promising due to the continuous evolution of technology. As the world becomes more connected, the demand for innovation in areas like artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning, cybersecurity, data analytics, Internet of Things, and blockchain will surge. Emerging fields such as quantum computing and autonomous systems will also require skilled engineers to shape their development. Additionally, as businesses and governments increasingly rely on digital infrastructure, computer engineers will play critical roles in ensuring system robustness, security, and innovation. The global job market will likely see more opportunities, especially in regions focusing on tech development and digital transformation. Number three, how do I see myself in the field of computer engineering? I see myself in the field of I see myself in the field as contributing to technological advancement by developing new solutions, improving existing system, and ensuring ethical and sustainable practices in tech development. They may aim to specialize in specific domains like AI, cybersecurity, or software engineering, leveraging their expertise to solve real-world problems. What area do I want to pursue in the future? For a human computer engineer, pursuing a specific area could vary based on interests, skills, and emerging trends. Popular areas including AI and machine learning, cybersecurity, cloud computing, or data science. Exploring emerging fields like quantum computing or bioinformation could also present unique opportunities. What are your key takeaways on the future of jobs? Key takeaways on the future of jobs. Adaptability. The future of jobs will require continuous learning and adapting to rapidly changing technology. Automation and AI will reshape industries, but those who can integrate these technologies into problem solving will be in high demand. Technological integration. Many jobs across sectors will demand tech literacy, and even non-technical roles will increasingly require basic understanding of digital tools. Remote and hybrid work. Remote work and hybrid models are are likely to persist in many sectors, particularly in tech-related roles, opening global job opportunities. Human-machine collaboration. While automation may replace some tasks, it will also create opportunities for jobs that focus on the management, ethics, and creative use of AI and other technologies. The future of work will resolve around humans working alongside machines. In summary, the future of computer engineering looks vibrant, offering many exciting opportunities, while the evolving job landscape will require a blend of technical expertise and adaptability. So that's all, everyone. That is my reflection video on the topic, a computer engineering department. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Thank you.